Welcome to Quest for Knowledge. Today I have brought an update especially for the second PUC students for the year 2021 to 2022 that there is no any reduction. Instead of reduction, the government of Karnataka, that is Karnataka PU board, has done some grouping system. Okay, based on that you have to study. Hello friends, welcome to Quest for Knowledge. A big update to you all that there is a complete new syllabus, that is there is no 30% reduction for the second PUC students of this current year, that is 2021 to 2022. So let's move on. The government has the Department of Karnataka PU board has grouped, okay, like subjects, the three subject. First we'll move on and understand English, how it has been grouped. Okay, as you can see in English, first from 15th July 2021 to 15th September 2021 we have to complete Romeo and Juliet, Two Dear, On Children, and some of the bridge courses like articles, preposition, tense, framing questions, pronouns, passive voice, reported speech, jumbled segments, etc. Okay, after that from 13/9/2021 to 15/9/2021 we need to give a test regarding to that. After that 16/9/2021 to 30/11, that is from 16th of September to 30th of November we have to complete this again 4 chapters, that is Sunny Morning, When You Are Old, Gardener, and Heaven If You Are Not Here. Reported speech, expressions, reading comprehensions, prose and poetry, linkers, letter writing, speech writing, report writing, and note making have to be completed. And after that by 1st December to 30th of this January, within 2 months to be completed the rest of the portions like Japan and Brazil, the water where there is a wheel, reading comprehension, poetry, linkers, and dialogue writing. And the last is that by 1st February 2022 to 31st of March 2022 all the rest of the portion have to be completed. So everything I need to know, to the food from its child, everything, almost from the grammar part, everything has to be, the portion should have to be covered by 31st of March 2022, and after that we need to revise of all grammar units in relation to annual exam question paper. So this is all about English. Okay, so this is Hindi. As you can see, by 15th July to 15th of September this all the portion have to be covered, and by September to November 30th the rest of these portions have to be finished, and by 1st of December to 30th of January this all, and by 1st of February to March this all have to be completed. This is for Urdu students. As they can see, which of the portions to be covered first. And which of the portions to be covered by the coming months. There is a major change in history. As you can see, the first chapter, and after that immediately we need to go to the 7th chapter. That 7th chapter 1, 7.1, 7.2, 7.5, 7.6 and 7.7 have to be completed by September 15th. And after that By the month 16th of September, second chapter, third chapter, fourth chapter and all the fourth chapter like 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7 to be covered, and 8th chapter. After that, by December to January, all the 4.8, 4.9, 5 chapters and rest of 8 chapters have to be completed. And by 1st of February to March, first chapter 4.4, 4.6, 5.5, all the rest of the chapter have to be completed. This is history 1, okay, as you can see here in English. You may take screenshot of it, and or else you may take your textbook and mark it that first of all which of the things has to be chapters to be completed. So this is economics. So the first, by this 15th September need to complete the initial 3 chapters, and a test will be given on chapters, an assignment also will be given on the chapters, and second session where we have to go through with 3.6, 3.7 and 4th chapter, 5th chapter, 6th chapter and 7th chapter, and then again assignment will be given and midterm test will be conducted. And then the third session is in national income, money and banking, 10th chapter have to be completed by session 3. Income determination, all the rest of the chapter has to be completed by March. So 4.2, 4.4, 11th chapter, 12th chapter, and then we need to keep preparatory exams and then annual examinations on April 2022. So this is accountancy. By first session we need to complete 3 chapter, second session 3 chapter, third session 3 chapter, fourth session 2 chapters. By this we have to complete the accountancy. In this, as you can see, the first chapter we have to go through in the last session. You may mark it, and based on this only we have to complete the sessions assignment plus midterm exam gonna get conducted. Computer science students, as they can see, the chapter 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 to be completed by the first session, 2, 3, 8, 9 and 17 to be completed by the second session, 10, 11, 15 and 16 to be completed by the third session, and 4, 12 and 13 and 14 to be completed by the fourth session. Students, if you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and do hit the bell icon so that you can get all the latest news and updates. Thank you very much.